नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटियाएँ। Myself JVN Dr. Archana Verma, Assistant Professor in Department of Homeopathic Surgery, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University, Jaipur. Now, today will be continue the AIDS. In this lecture, will be discuss the sign and symptoms, diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of AIDS. Now, sign and symptoms. List of symptoms of HIV and AIDS. Early infection, more common to develop a brief flu-like illness 2, 2 to 4 weeks after becoming infected. Signs and symptoms may include fever, headache, sore throat, swollen lymph node, rashes. Later infection may remain symptom-free for 8 to 9 years or more, may develop mild infection or chronic symptoms such as a swollen lymph node, often the one of the first sign of infection. Diarrhea, weight loss, fever, cough, and shortness of breathing. Latest phase of infection, HIV antibody test plus at least one of the following point. The development of opportunistic infection is infection that occur when immune system is impaired, such as a pneumocystic carrying pneumonia. Pneumocystic carrying pneumonia is a life-threatening lungs infection that can lead affect people when weaken immune system, such as a those infected with HIV. A CD4 lymphocyte count of 200 or less, a normal count range from 800 to 1200. The sign and symptoms of some of these infection may include shocking night sweats, shaking chills, or fever higher than 100 Fahrenheit for several weeks, dry cough, and shortness of breathing. Chronic diarrhea, persistent white spots or unusual lesion on tongue or in mouth, headache, blur, and distorted vision, weight loss may also brings to experience signs and symptoms to later stage HIV infection itself, such as a persistent unexplained fatigue, shocking night sweats, shaking chills or fever higher than 100 Fahrenheit for several weeks, swelling of lymph nodes for more than 3 months, chronic diarrhea, persistent headache. If infected with HIV, also more likely to develop certain cancers, especially Kaposi sarcoma, cervical cancer, and lymphoma. Symptoms of HIV in children. Children who are HIV positive may experience difficult gaining weight, difficulty growing normal, problem walking, delayed mental development, several forms of common childhood illness such as ear infection, otitis media, pneumonia, and tonsillitis. AIDS defining condition. AIDS defining condition encephalopathy, HIV related pneumonia, recurrent leading cause of death. Now diagnosis. In diagnosis, ELISA enzyme linked immunosorbent assay done to detect HIV antibody in patient serum antigens use are P24, P17, glycoprotein 160, glycoprotein 120, and glycoprotein 141. Sorry, 41. Anti P24 is the first reliable detected antibody, but decline as a viral titer rise in the in late infection. Involved antibody rise more slowly but stay high at the end. Involved antigens show major antigenic variation. ELISA for 24 useful early. Now conformation Western blot for antibodies specific to HIV in immunoelectrophorescence, HIV DNA PCR polymerase chain reaction, qualitative to detect HIV infection in newborn of mother are HIV positive, quantitative HIV DNA PCR to detect Sorry, determine viral load of acid treatment. Uh, sorry, quantitative HIV DNA PCR to determine viral loaded acid treatment. Culture for HIV with antigen detection in culture. This is the additional test. Culture for HIV with antigen detection in culture. HIV infection in newborn whose mother are HIV positive to assess drug resistance. Now treatment. In treatment, heart highly effective antiretroviral therapy. Physician consider 200 to 350 CD for cells per mm cube is the range to consider starting highly active retroviral therapy. Heart combine two type of retroviral antiretroviral drugs: reverse transcription inhibitor zudovudine, dynanosine, zolicitabine, stavudine, and lamivudine. These are the combination of antiretroviral drugs. Now, next, non-nucleosides, delavirgin, nevirapine, efavirenz. These are the non-nucleosides drugs. Protease inhibitor, individual or retronavir. These are the protease inhibitor. Now prevention. There is no vaccine to prevent HIV infection and no cure for AIDS, but it is possible to detect, but possible to protect and other form of infection. That means educating about HIV and avoiding any behavior that allow HIV infection through blood, semen, vaginal secretion, breast milk into body. If HIV negative, educated yourself and other, know the HIV status of any sexual partners, use a new latex or polyurethane condom every time have a sex, consider male circumstance, use a clean needle, be cautious about product in certain countries, get regular screening tests, don't become complacent. If HIV positive, follow safe sex practices, tell sexual partner person have a HIV. If partner is pregnant, tell her you have HIV. Tell other who need to know. Don't share needles and syringe. Don't donate bloods or organs. Don't share razor blade or toothbrushes. If pregnant, get medical care right now, right way. Prevention by common sense, ABC rule, abstinence, be faithful, condom. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will be resolving. Thank you.